Welcome friends. Today in this video we are going to implement collapsing toolbar and collapsing toolbar layout. Now let us see what is collapsing toolbar layout and what is collapsing toolbar. Here you can see when I scroll this, the image scrolls up and a toolbar appears. This is called collapsing toolbar layout. Now let us see what is collapsing toolbar. Now here you can see when I scroll, the toolbar hides. This is called collapsing toolbar. Now let us begin with our project. Let us open Android Studio. Click on Start New Android Studio project. Select Empty Activity and click Next. Here you give the name of the application, whichever name you want. Let us name it Collapsing Toolbar. Click on here and here you select the language you want. I am going to use Java, and here you can select the minimum API for which you want. Then click on Finish. Now move towards your Android activity XML file and replace constraint layout with coordinator layout. Since collapsing toolbar requires coordinator layout. Here you can see Android Studio is not giving option for coordinator layout. So to get coordinator layout, support design library is required. So we will have to add support design library in Gradle file. So you can get the Android support design library from Google. Move towards your browser. In Google you search for Android support design library. Open the first link. This one, Android support design library. Copy this and move toward your Android Studio, and here you write implementation. And paste that you have copied from there. Implementation and click on sync now. Now our support design library is added to Android Studio. Now we can move toward our XML file and search for, and type coordinator layout. Now here you can see we get option for coordinator layout. Select the first one. Now after adding coordinator layout, add app bar layout. Width you keep it match parent and height wrap content. And inside app bar layout we need collapsing toolbar layout. Collapsing toolbar layout, width will be match parent and height will be wrap content. Inside this collapsing toolbar layout, add an image view. With match parent and height will be give height that you want. I will give it 250 dp, and src. I have already added image in my Android Studio. Here you can see that. Yes, driver. I have added image, and I will use this image here. src driver. Now close this image tag, and we will add one toolbar. Width will be match parent, and height will be action bar size. Close this tab. Give this I will give an ID to the toolbar. And in the collapsing toolbar layout tag, add an attribute scroll flags. Layout scroll flag will be scroll and exit until collapsed. Now move towards your main activity Java file, and here create a variable for toolbar. Initialize the toolbar. So find the ID. Now set this toolbar as main toolbar of the app. You can do this by using set support action bar and provide it toolbar. Now after setting the toolbar, we have to remove the default toolbar of the application. So for doing this, you move toward the style and replace this dark action bar with no action bar. Now run your application. Our app has been installed. Now let's see. Our app crashed, so let us see why it crashed. In Logcat it is saying Android widget toolbar cannot be cast to Android X app compact widget toolbar. So we will solve this error. Replace this toolbar with Android X version of toolbar, this one. And now also add a title to the toolbar. Title toolbar, and now run again. Now you can see that our app is installed. Now let's see is it working or not. You can see that when I scroll, the toolbar collapsed, but the toolbar didn't appear as we want. We can still see the image when the toolbar is collapsed. So let's resolve this. In collapsing toolbar layout tag, we will add screen content color. In screen content color primary dark. This attributes decide what the color the toolbar appear when the collapsing toolbar is completely collapsed. Now let's run the app and see. Now let's scroll and see what happens. Now you can see that when I scroll, the collapsing toolbar layout collapse and a toolbar appears. Now we will implement collapsing toolbar. So for implementing collapsing toolbar, just remove the image view and replace this exit until collapsed by enter always. We will add a nested we will add a scroll view so that we can have some item to scroll and see the collapsing toolbar effect.
You can say
Width will be match parent, height will be wrap content. Use this tag and add a linear layout. Width will be match parent and height will be wrap content, and give orientation vertical. Close this tags, and inside this add text view. Width will be match parent and height will be, I will give a height of 500 dp so that it can move out of the screen and we can see the scrolling effect. And we will give a text view 1. Close this text and add one more text view. Width will be match parent and height I will give it 500 dp and add a text view 2. Close this. I will give a gravity to this nested scroll view bottom, and as you can see that this nested scroll view is overlapping the toolbar, so I will move this little bit down below the toolbar. Now okay, and as you can see the title of the toolbar is not appearing, although we have added a title to the toolbar. To solve this, add an attribute here, text appearance, collapse title text appearance, and give it a value and color transparent. And now you can see that the title of the toolbar is appearing. Add one more attribute, title enabled false. Now run your app. Now you can see when I scroll, the toolbar hides. This is collapsing toolbar. Thank you for watching this video.